One question we get frequently at Grason-Stadler is there any way to pre-write some of the comments that I use frequently on my reporting? And the answer is yes. In order to do predefined comments, you can go into the configure icon here and then select the general tab in the configure menu. When you get to the general tab toward the bottom, there's a little button called manage predefined comments. And when you click that, a window will pop up that is the predefined comment editor. You'll notice it looks very similar to the comments section, except for there are a couple of different features. One of the features is we have two selections over here on the left side, clinical and session, and these are the different types of comments that you can add to your reporting. So many times we do write the same sorts of things based on the type of test that was here. And so to add a predefined comment, you simply select the little blank piece of paper called new, and then you name your comment. When you name your comment, it will place it here in that hierarchy on the left side, and you can simply type in the things that you would like to include in this predefined comment. From there, you can add more comments, you can add tables, you can add bullet points, just a number of different items to make your reporting easy and seamless. When you're finished with your predefined comment, you press save, and it will add it to the list. To use your predefined comments, when you have a patient who has completed their evaluation, you can go to the comment window here, select the pencil, and that will pull up your comment area where you can write. You can see at the top we have both clinical and session comments, and so instead of typing the same thing over and over, you go up to the upper right-hand side, and there's a drop-down of the different predefined comments that you have already defined in your configuration. So you select the predefined comment that you want, you push insert, you can select another one and push insert, and then you can edit from this point. When you press OK, those comments will show up in that comment area and they will show up on your report template.